So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Romeo Rentulio. I am a fourth year medical biology student in University of the East Manila. My objectives for this video is to share with you guys my experiences and some of my tips and recommendations for those students who are planning to do their field work or their plant collections, especially if you are within NCR. So this video will give you a bird's eye view on what are the procedures and what are the things that you need to consider upon doing your field work basically. So yeah, without further ado, let's start. Fieldwork namin scheduled ng 2 days and 1 night. Kaya need talaga namin bumili ng mga tents, banana bed sheets or whatsoever na pang fieldwork. And then yung mga damit, yung mga pito, yung mga medical kit, and a lot of things guys, especially yung food, kailangan na namin i-pre-cook this Friday. So yeah, basically marami kaming inaayos para hindi kami masyado magkaroon ng problema upon doing the field work. Especially iniiwasan namin na magkulang yung butane na gagamitin sa pagkain, kaya in-advise kami na i-pre-cook yung mga meat na kakailanganin. And then what more? So guys, everything is packed up na ilalagay na lang namin sa bag. And then ang plan is magkikita-kita kami ng Friday night na sa condo ng kaibigan ko, ng teammate ko sa thesis, kasi nandun na nakalagay yung mga tent namin para isang bitbitan na lang at saka para hindi kami malate sa call time ng buong team na magpi-field work. And also dahil kailangan pa namin i-pre-cook yung mga meat para pagdating namin sa field work, hindi na kami masyadong magahol at hindi magkulang yung nabili namin butane. 'Di ba guys? Ganong kaplano yung ginawa namin. Unfortunately, this happened.
Apektado ng volcanic smog o VOG mula sa Bulkang Taal ang ilang lugar sa Batangas at Cavite.
Dahil diyan, suspendido ang klase bukas sa ilang lugar doon. Kuha po yan ng GMA Integrated News sa General Trias sa Cavite ngayong gabi. Kitang-kita na parang maulap ang paligid dyan. Ilang residente ang nakapansin na mas kumakapal ang smog ngayong gabi.
So of course guys, as a researcher and as a biology student, we are trained by our professors to be always ready and prepared for possible scenarios such as in the experimentation and in this time for our field work. So since na-cancel yung field work, we don't have a choice kundi it's either mag-iba ng title, mag-iba ng place, or mag-iba ng methodology ng plant basically. So fortunate enough and grateful still dahil very helpful and very accommodating yung professor namin, yung advisor namin sa thesis. And yun, nagkaroon lang kami ng brainstorming kung ano ba yung kailangan namin i-adjust. And thank God dahil binigyan niya kami ng isang magandang plant na very high yung economically important niya. So yeah, that's the plan B namin ngayon, and ito yung mga ginawa namin.
Dito po yun.
So ayan sila guys, namimili sila ng pinakamagandang plant type. So that's Jethro, that's Rafi, and that's JJ. Yo, let's go sir. Where's Khalid? Where's Khalid? Tulog pa?
Hindi ko alam,
So ayan, we have plants na. Rafi, show it please. Okay, we have na the plants. So hi guys, again update. We're here at UP Diliman. Ang objective is to authenticate this kind of plant called insulin plant. Yeah, just for that. And then we need to ask further information, of course. Those are my group mates, guys. So yeah, this is for plant authentication.
Wala na kayong ibang ibon picture? Kayo?
Yes, sir.
1 to 3 months na waiting sa ano, baby.
Oy, in-vlog mo na ako.
Confirm doon sa ano?
Kailangan nating magtanong dahil tayo mawawala. So guys, heads up lang, hindi kami nandito para mag-tour. Kasi pagod na rin kami guys. So, ayun, need lang talaga naming mag quick meet with Mr. Sir, anong pangalan ng meet natin? Barry Dison. Yeah, Barry Dison. So, yun. Hopefully, ma-meet namin siya as soon as possible kasi we're running out of time. So, yan. Pagod na yan, guys. Reporter tayo. Okay.
Go.
So, yun, guys. Nakahanap na kami ng insulin na may fluorescence. Look.
Uy, nakaputi ako.
Hindi, kahit ano. Ano ba? Kukunin ko na ba? Like, ito kasi.
Ano ko na?
This is for free, guys. Tanim to ni... What's the name? Bernie Dison. So, it's a privilege for us, guys. So, hi guys. Again. Hiningi po namin sa ano? Sa personnel po ni Mr. Ano? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Mabait nila. So, yan guys. We have what we need, guys. Yay! So, yeah. Going back to the university, need namin mag-report sa aming advisor. And after that, we're good to go. This is
Hi vlog,
Jetro.
JJ.
Jetro's friend. JJ.
Hi,
This is
vlog.
JJ, guys. Ano objective natin today?
Bali, yung objective natin ngayon is to gather information about our species,
Yeah.
which is the insulin plant.
Yeah.
And to acquire the plant itself,
Yeah.
which is the insulin plant.
Yeah, for medicinal purposes, right?
Yeah. And for artists as well.
Okay. Yeah. Definitely, guys, that is what we need to do. And yeah, we'll update you guys kung magpupunta pa kami sa UP Los Baños para magpa-authenticate nito. Yun lang, guys.
Subscribe
To what?
to Romeo's channel.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. So guys, ayan siya. Insulin plant. Insulin plant. Nagwasa na to. Sabi ni Rafi, wala daw siyang negative effect. Diba? Pero kakainin namin to kasi ano to, gamot to eh. Wait lang, lilipat ako ng angle. Huh? Taste test. Maasim siya guys, maasim. Goods. For diabetes. Okay, tama.
Bako ang putik.
Bro, na. So hi guys, andito na kami ngayon sa Park and Wildlife. I am with my group mates. Ayan. And right now, papunta kami ngayon sa kay Bernie Dison. Bernie Dison is a famous person here, guys. May story behind him. So, you can just watch it on the YouTube. Pero ang objective namin is kumuha ng plant doon. That's it. If nandun siya, maybe we can do some interview. We might get some information, important information from him na magamit namin for thesis. Pero basically, the main objective is to get the plant with the rhizome itself. So, yeah. Hi guys, we're here at Dizon Exotic Fruit Tree Park, and we're here to get the sample for our thesis. Tara. So by the way guys, yung tao dito, pinahiram kami nito para mabungkal yung plant. And yung kailangan naming plant is the one with the rhizome. Tama ba? Okay. I have Rafi. Show it. Yeah. And then yeah. Ang kailangan naming plant
And
is
the man behind the camera, JJ.
ayan. So kukuha na tayo ng paano ba? Pag ganun daw, no? Ano, kaya? Kaya boy, para sa video.
Kailangan.
Sure, let's go! Uy.
Nice.
So, we are able to get the plant with the rhizome, guys. Saan? So, ayan, rhizome. Ayan, oh.
Nice, Roms.
So, we need at least 2 to 3, right?
Right.
2 to 3. And then, ayan, let's go. Ayun guys, doon sa part na yun. So, naghahanap pa tayo ng isa pang plant na medyo mature yung age. Kasi it will vary sa gagawin naming experimentation. Let's go.
Sure na yan yung ano.
So hi guys, hi JJ.
Hello,
So
guys.
siya yung tumutulong sa akin mag-video guys. So ayun, meron na kaming matured plant with rhizome ng mature plant. And then kukuha pa kami ng isang batang. Ay, dadalhin ba yan? Oh, dadalhin daw namin itong malaki guys. Tingin na lang sa gitna.
Ay, ni may inflorescence.
Ilit mo.
Bait ni Kuya Rafi, oh. Tinanim ulit yung mga nabunot.
Ngayon natin kinuha. Yan. Ganyan si Sir Rafi.
Tinago mo yung impurities sa...
Tinago yung bakas. Pero naman, pinayagan naman tayo, so nothing to worry.
Nothing.
So yun guys. Let's go sir. Hi guys, we're done with our field work. Yes, hindi siya yung ina-expect namin dahil ang expected is yung sa mountain. But I think parang blessing in disguise talaga siya kasi parang I think mas napaganda yung magiging study namin ngayon dahil yung nahanap namin plants is much more economically important. So yeah, basically we're done with the field work. After this, we're go straight to the university para i-conduct yung laboratory, and then gagawa kami ng letter para makahigamit kami ng facility sa BPI. Then after that, more on experimentation na. So yeah, we're done with the field work with this 2 body, and yep, that's it. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next vlog. Woo!
Subscribe
Oh yeah, go.
and click the notification bell.
Yes sir, thank you so much. Again, that's JJ and this is Rafi. See you on the next vlog guys. Bye!